Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be teaching you a few workarounds to help you lunge even if you're experiencing some knee pain. The lunge is one of our favorite functional strengthening exercises that we include in our programs actually to solve knee pain, but a lot of times what can happen as you're just starting to get back into doing this movement, it can actually cause knee pain, which is the opposite effect of what we want. So what I'll do in today's video is, if that's happening to you, I'll give you 3 workarounds you can try so that you can build strength in the lunge movement even if you're having some knee pain. Alright, so the first thing you can do is switch to a reverse lunge. So there's a lot of different variations of the lunge exercise. A lot of times people default to the forward lunge, which is again just that step forward coming down here. If you're having some knee pain, I would suggest you try the reverse lunge. It's a different variation that's just slightly easier on the knees. And all it is instead of stepping forward, I'm going to step my foot back and drop that knee down to the ground and come back up. Now there's a lot of reasons why the reverse lunge is safer on the knee, but to put it simply, the forward lunge is a lot more quad dominant, which puts a lot more stress and force through the front part of your knee, where the reverse lunge is more hamstring and glute dominant, which is just going to be a little bit safer on your knees. The next thing you can try is using assistance like a TRX band. If you're dealing with joint pain, the TRX is one of my favorite tools to add assistance to not only the lunge but a lot of other movements to help you build confidence in that movement before progressing to the actual exercise itself. So really easy to perform. Again, I would stick with the reverse lunge for this one just because it's safer on the knee. But all we're going to do with our TRX, take that step back. And again, what's nice is we want to be pressing up off this leg, but when I can use my arms to assist. And so as much as I need to, I can use my arms to pull myself off. That's going to take pressure off the knee as that knee heals and you build strength and confidence in your movement. So if you're having knee pain with your lunge, don't be afraid to pull out the TRX or any other sort of band and perform an assisted version. And finally, if you're still having some difficulty with the reverse lunge or the assisted lunge, taking the movement all the way back to the basics, you can go to the step-up exercise, which is a great way to train the same movement as the lunge on a way that's going to be a lot easier and less impact at the knee. Now a lot of people get frustrated because they feel like the step up is almost too easy, so I'm going to show you a few ways that you can make the step up exercise harder. So if you're somebody who's got a fair amount of knee pain, I suggest starting with a lower height step. So that's the first thing you can do to change the difficulty of the step up, is the actual height of the step. A lower step is going to be a little bit easier and less impact at the knee. As you build strength and as you build confidence, you just raise the step up. And again, a taller step here to really step up as you build strength and confidence. The next thing, once you've kind of mastered a pretty tall height, is starting to add weight. So you just take 2 dumbbells, hold it at your side, perform that same movement. And those are a few ways that you can make that step up exercise pretty challenging so that you can build strength in the lunge movement without dealing with that knee pain. Once you've built enough strength and enough confidence, then you can try the assisted reverse lunge or just a regular reverse lunge. That's all I got for you. If you're still having, that's all I got for you. So if you're having some knee pain with your lunge, try these 3 workarounds so that you can build strength in that movement without aggravating your knee pain. If you're still having trouble with knee pain while you're lunging, go ahead and leave a comment or a question below. I'll be happy to answer it. Thanks again so much for watching. This is Dr. Carl Baird with Solving Pain with Strength.